Hello and welcome to Get Tech Savvy, and this is Brady Kelly once again. Today we're going to be learning how to create a Facebook fan page. Now, fan pages are really good at being able to provide people on Facebook with a way to interact with your business. It's a really easy way to market to people who you've been called to market to and to offer up your services. And so today we're going to do a real quick video on how to do that. So first of all, here I'm at Facebook. Make sure you're logged into Facebook. So go to facebook.com and log into your Facebook. And after you're logged into your Facebook, I want you to type in this address right up here. www.facebook.com/pages/create.php. This is the page where you can select which type of page you'd like to create and then go ahead and create that. So today I'm actually going to create my own Facebook fan page for Get Tech Savvy. So I'm going to click on company, organization, or institution and select the category here. We'll put it under Internet and Software since that's a lot of the things I'll be teaching. Get Tech Savvy. I agree to the page terms and let's get started. So after you create that and give it a name, you come to these three steps. Now, one of the things that you can do here is you can upload an image or import a photo. So if you wanted to import a photo of yourself, upload an image of yourself, you could do that here. And I'm not going to do that because I actually don't have a photo to upload. But that's where you do it here. So go ahead and continue. And then at this point, you can invite your friends. So all your friends that you have on Facebook, this is very powerful here because once you have this, you can invite all your friends and an invitation goes out to all of them. And they have an opportunity to come onto your page and view the content there. And that's where you can get people into knowing what your business is about and into your funnel. You can share your page here with contacts. You can import them. Also, there's an option to share this page on your wall. So include it in a message. And I'm actually not going to do that right now because I'm not going to publish the page yet. And also, you probably want to like the page yourself. So this little check mark here is for if you want to like the page. Go ahead and click continue. And then it's going to ask you for a website. So the website that I'm going to give it is gettechsavvy.wordpress.com because that's the current website that I have. It's actually going to move soon, but that's the current website that I have. And then you can give it a description. There we go. That's my description. This is the Facebook fan page for Get Tech Savvy. And then continue. And after you get through these three steps, there you have it. There's your web page. There's a lot of different things you can do with this fan page here. First of all, it gives you this Get Started page. So these are your different tabs that you have on your page. Okay, these are different pages that people can visit. The first one is for you, the Get Started tab. This one is for you to add an image if you didn't add an image, to once again invite your friends, import your contacts, post an update. So if you want to post an update on, hey, I just created this fan page, or later on a month from now say, hey, I just released this product, come check it out. Also here, number 5, is you can add a like box to your web page. So this will give you the opportunity to build a like box that you can embed into your page. So then after you get all of the things filled out here, you can get the code, and this is the code that you would copy to embed into your web page. So those are the different steps, and then also you can set up your mobile phone so that you can actually do updates from your mobile phone, get text messages on your mobile phone from when people comment and things like that, or like your page, or anything else you want to set up. The second tab is the wall, and this is where you just like the wall on your Facebook page, this is where you can write your status updates for your fan page. Also info. This is just the info page, basic information about your business and your fan page. Friend activity here. So this is where all the activity of your friends will get placed. Photos, you can upload your photos. You can also upload videos as well. So photos and videos here. And then also there's this edit button. An edit button actually doesn't work right now because you don't have any other tabs. But you can actually adjust the order of those things and whatnot. So back at the Get Started page, if you click on Edit Page, it brings you to this right here. So this is the Manage Permissions page. You have all these tabs over here. The current selected one is Manage Permissions. Manage Permissions allows you to manage who can come to your page, what they can do on your page, etc. If they're, if they're your friends and whatnot. So the first option here is Unpublished Page, and this is an option only that admins, which you are now because you created the page, can see. And so I'm actually going to unpublish this page because it's not completed yet. I want to create some more content on it before people start visiting it. You can restrict what type of people in different countries can see it. Right now it's currently selected to only people in this country. And then you can also do an age restriction. So anyone 13 plus, 17 and older, 18 and older, 19 and older, 21 and older, alcohol related, which I'm just going to keep it at 13 plus. Wall tab shows. So your wall tab, this basically has to do with different posts and what post it's actually going to post on your wall tab. Default landing page. This is important. When you start creating tabs for your fan page, they'll show up here, and you can actually select the default. And so right now the default is the wall. And then in later videos, you'll learn how to create a landing page, in which you can come in here and change the default tab to your landing page. Right now I'm just going to do the wall because I don't have a landing page up. And then this is the permissions that people have for posting. Can they write on the post? Can they add photos, add tags? Can they add videos, etc. And then there's something on moderation block list. We're not really going to go over that right now. And then also profanity block list. And then this is the option to delete the page. So if you created a page and you really don't like it, or you want to change the name or whatever, and you don't care if you lose everything on the page, this is where you do it. So I'm going to go ahead and save changes so that I unpublish my page because I don't want that visible yet. I will uncheck that once I have my page ready to go for people to visit. There's some more settings here. The posting preferences, email notifications. I don't want emails to go to my email account, so I'm going to uncheck that when people post or comment on my page, because that's a lot of emails to receive. And then also posting preferences. When I post on my wall, I want to make sure that it always posts it as gettechsavvy, not just my standard account as Brady Kelly. So I want to actually post as gettechsavvy, so I'm going to leave that checked. And then basic information. This is just your basic information of what you want people to see about your business. So if you want them to know your address, who founded it, so I could say Brady Kelly here. Here's your categories, all these different options. What types of things you want them to see on your information page, your website as well, your phone, your email. I want to go ahead and save that. In fact, actually, I'm going to add gettechsavvy now at gmail.com. That's the email I want them to see. So I'm going to save those changes. Profile picture. This is once again just to set up your profile picture. Featured. This one we'll actually go over later. You don't need to worry too much about it right now. Resources. This is also just more on basically helping you understand what you can do with your fan pages. This is Facebook's help section basically. And it will help you understand what the things you can do with your fanbook page. Manage admins. So if you want to give other people access to the fan page and be able to change things and post things, so if you have a secretary who you want to get on here and post different updates maybe for products or whatever, or respond to people's comments on the wall, you can add them as an admin here. And you can start typing. So if I wanted to add my wife, I could do that. And she would come up and I could add her there. So anyways, that is how you do that. I'm going to cancel that. This is one of the areas that you're going to be using when you build your landing page and add more tabs to your fanbook page. And so these are the different apps, as they call it, that you can add to, or that are currently added to your fanbook page. And you can actually search for apps just like you can search for people. So if you know an app that you want to put on your Fanbook page, you can just search for it right here. So these are the different apps that you have. So if you wanted to upload a video, you already have this app to upload videos, and then go ahead and add videos here. If you wanted to add photos or links, events, you wanted to do your events, you can write your events here in your posts, and people will see it. Oh, so let me go back to that. So when you can create an event here, and this will show up on your events page. Then you can set up mobile stuff here. This is if you want to have email come to your device or whatnot. This is your email address that it gives you, and a couple other options for your mobile phone. We'll go over that later. And then insights. This is all the analytics on your fan page, and this will give you how many active users, weekly and monthly active users, and the such. And we won't go into detail on that right now. And then obviously the help section. This is more help section. So that is the details on a Fanbook page, and basically you have a Fanbook page open and ready to go now. If you want to edit the specific things on your page, we're going to go over that in later videos, but now you've successfully created a Fanbook page. This is once again Brady Kelly with Get Tech Savvy.